This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Justine Westmoreland. Torino area of Port Street. Lucie. This very spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, with an amazing, open floor plan, backs up to a beautiful green space. Home boasts a lovely screened front porch and open, covered, back porch. New roof, new garage door opener with battery backup and Wi-Fi capability, halo light in kitchen and much more. Full hurricane shutter package, county only taxes. TVs on walls, swing set and shed included. Come see today. For more information, review the details below or contact Justine Westmoreland at 772-871-7411.